Look your best in these classic shoes by Sperry. They feature a soft full-grain leather upper with a hand-sewn moccasin construction over the vamp and back of the heel that give it a classic look. There's also the 360 lacing system that has rawhide laces and metal eyelets all around the collar to give you a custom fit. Inside, there is a leather lining with a lightly padded footbed that has added arch support, giving you maximum comfort. The midsole has some etching details around the edges that give it a little style, flexibility, making it perfect for all-day wear, and you'll get a little boost in height at the heel. It's all on top of a non-marking rubber outsole that has razor-cut wave-siping for traction on wet and dry surfaces.